Alright, tonight I'm going to show you how I get ready for my coffee in the morning. I've already filled up the water. It is plugged in to my Blue Eddy. Good morning, everyone. This is crazy. Look at how dark my van. I never know what time it is when I wake up because my van is so dark. But I slept in this morning. It's 8 o'clock and I'm going to start making my coffee. Let me put my eyeballs on. Here we go. Alright. Power button. Turn on. Which, if you guys know, I love this thing. Now, this is plugged into my Blue Eddy, and the reason why is because I can turn it on and off. Then I let that warm up, and I'll show you the rest on the tape. I'm just about out of coffee, and yes, Dollar Tree container. It is plastic because I am clumsy and I am afraid of breaking glass in my van. I drop things all the time. Looks like today we gotta go buy more coffee. This is not regular coffee. This is a mushroom coffee. It's got 6 different types of mushrooms into it. And it's a little on the chilly side. I'm gonna add a little bit of a hot cocoa to make it a little bit more chocolatey. Now we just wait for the water to warm up. I'm going to finish getting somewhat around. But this is how I make my coffee in the van. And I thought this would be something that you guys would be interested in because I know in van life, everybody's question is, how do you do coffee in the morning? A lot of people do the pour over, but with this coffee, it's kind of like an instant coffee. But it is a healthier alternative from coffee. Let's check the water. Gotta put this away. That is one thing with the van. Always gotta put things back. You can tell there's small bubbles on the side, which that means that it's time to pour my coffee. I like it lukewarm so that I can drink it. I don't like it sitting around waiting for me to drink it. Let's see how this is. Great. Now it's time to go edit a video for you guys. Make sure you're subscribed.